Hey everyone! Today I want to talk to you about one of the most exciting and innovative tools on the market today, the AI to text image generator. It's an entire design medium in and of itself and is one of the fastest growing AI trends. To access the text to image generator on Simplified, simply start on the home page and under the graphic design tab, go ahead and select the AI image generator here. By clicking that icon, you'll be brought to this page. And now let's talk a little bit about your different options here. There are two different generators, the Diffusion, and if you toggle this on, the DALL-E. Both AI generators are wonderful, but give you different types of options. So definitely play around and see which one you like best. Now let's write a sentence of the image that we want generated. The more detailed your description, the more detailed your image will be. I'm going to write in my sentence. And when you're writing your command, think about how you would describe the image that you want. Include your subject, your environment, any color scheme. Again, being as detailed as possible will result in a very detailed image. Once you've finished your description, go ahead and click Generate. And in seconds, the AI has created 3 entirely different but fantastic designs. You can use this icon here to generate more images, and once you found an image that you love, you can select it, use this icon to download it to your device, use this icon to share on social media using our content calendar, generate different variations of this image using this icon here, and you can even use this icon here to open this image into an artboard and edit using our amazing design tools. Let's go ahead and choose this back icon. And on this page, you'll see that you're under your Creations tab. All of your AI generated results will automatically save and you can go back to them anytime you'd like. Under this Generate tab, you'll also be able to see examples of other AI generated results, which is a really fun way to find some inspiration. This is one of the most exciting design tools and its abilities are really endless. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'd love to hear from you in the comments about how you're using the AI generator. Check out our other tutorials to see how Simplified can elevate your design skills every step of the way. See you there.